Today, I'm going to show you how to bass boost audio in DaVinci Resolve. This is a great technique for enhancing the low-end frequencies in your audio, making it sound fuller and more powerful, whether you're working on music, voiceovers, or sound effects. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once you're in, you'll need to navigate to the editing workspace. On the bottom of your screen, you'll see several workspace options. Click on Edit to switch to the editing interface. This is where you'll have access to all the audio editing tools you need. Next, click on the audio clip you want to bass boost. This will select it and prepare it for editing. You'll notice that once selected, additional options become available in your workspace. Now look towards the top right of your screen and click on Inspector. The Inspector panel is your control center for making detailed adjustments to your selected clips. It contains all the properties and settings you can modify for both video and audio elements. In the Inspector panel, you'll see various audio controls. Find and turn on equalizer. This enables the equalization tools that will allow you to manipulate the frequency ranges of your audio, including boosting the bass frequencies we're focusing on. Once the equalizer is active, you'll see several bands labeled B1, B2, and so on. These represent different frequency ranges. You need to click on B1 to enable it. This is typically the lowest frequency band, which is exactly what we need for bass boosting. Now comes the actual boosting part. Adjust the B2 slider towards the top, but keep it moderate. Don't push it all the way up immediately. Then adjust the B1 slider upward as well, but slightly less than B2. This creates a gentle bass boost that enhances the low end without overwhelming the rest of your audio. Here's an important tip. Simply play your audio to test these two adjustments. Sometimes increasing too much will distort the audio, causing it to sound muddy or clipped. If you hear any distortion, dial back the levels slightly until you find that sweet spot where the bass is enhanced but still sounds clean and natural. And that's it. You've successfully bass boosted your audio in DaVinci Resolve using the built-in equalizer tools. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.